Hey guys, just the one question here from U3A7 quiz. And the question is this. Here are 2 points, 0, -3, and 1, -1. So I've just put these points in a table of values. Might make life easier for you. Um, and you'll notice that it looks, if this is the pattern here, looks like as the x value goes up 1, the y value goes up 2. So this is +2, +2. So we could look at that to answer the questions for number 1 and number 2 here. It says when the independent variable is 3, what is the value of the dependent variable? Let's remember that this is independent. Okay, the x is independent and the y is dependent. Okay, so um, when you're at 3, you go from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3, so you're adding 2 each time. So you end up at 3, 3. And the other question is, what about when the dependent is -5? So that's here. And that would happen when you go back one spot or to the left one spot on a graph, and you would get -1, -5. So the answers are 3 and -1. Hope that makes sense.